Hey everyone! Welcome back to Crypto Chronicles, your go-to channel for everything crypto, NFTs, and blockchain related. If you've been with me for a while, you already know we've been exploring the MEXC exchange, one of the most powerful and flexible trading platforms in the crypto space. In my previous videos, I even showed you how you could claim $20 completely free just for signing up and getting started. Now, if you missed that opportunity, or just forgot to claim it, don't worry at all. Because today, we've got another massive event on MEXC that could easily get you $20 in SOL, yes, Solana, just for trading. And guess what? It doesn't stop there. There are bonuses, streak challenges, referral rewards, and more. Let's dive in. Before we get into the rewards and the exact steps, you might be wondering, why should I even consider using MEXC? What makes it different from other exchanges? Well, here's a quick breakdown. MEXC gives you access to both centralized and decentralized trading in one place. On the left side, we have the traditional CX, or centralized exchange, where you get high liquidity trading, tons of token listings, smooth UI, and low trading fees. If you're into structured trades and reliable markets, this is your go-to. But the real game changer is on the right side, the brand new DX Plus Futures platform. This is a decentralized, on-chain trading zone, specifically built for the Web3 generation. It's perfect if you're into early-stage crypto plays like meme coins, micro caps, and new token launches. Now, before we jump into the exact steps to earn that $20 in SOL, here's a quick heads up. I've already uploaded a detailed review of MEXC on my channel, along with a full guide on how to profit using the platform, covering everything from how to trade, how to earn passively, and even how to use the different tools within MEXC to maximize your gains. If you haven't watched those yet, I highly recommend checking them out first. You'll find the links right in the description box below. They'll give you all the background you need before you dive into this event, especially if you're a new user on MEXC. Now let's talk about the main event, the MEXC DEX Plus Superfest. This is an official promotion that's live right now, and it runs from May 10th, 2025 to June 10th, 2025. During this period, new users who register with my referral link and meet a few simple conditions can claim $20 in SOL, absolutely free. Here's exactly how you can do it. Step 1. Sign up for a MEXC account using the special referral link in the video description. This is important. If you don't use the referral link, you won't qualify for the bonus. Step 2. Deposit 100 USDT or more into your DX Plus account. This is your capital. You'll be using this to trade. Step 3. Trade a minimum of 100 USDT worth of tokens on the DX Plus platform. You can trade any supported pair. The system just needs to register that volume. Step 4. Once you've completed your 100 USDT trade, you will automatically receive $20 worth of SOL into your account. And that's it. No hidden tasks. No complex staking or quiz stuff. Just trade and get paid. But wait, it gets even better. MEXC is also running a trading streak challenge, where you can earn up to $30 in USDT bonuses based on how consistently you trade. Trade at least 50 USDT for 3 days in a row, and you'll receive a $10 USDT bonus. Trade at least 200 USDT for 7 consecutive days, and you'll unlock an additional $20 bonus. So, if you're active and consistent, that's another $30 up for grabs, just by trading regularly. Easy rewards for doing what most of us already do. Now, let's say you want to take things up a notch. You can also earn by inviting your friends. If someone signs up through your referral link, deposits 100 USDT into DX Plus, and makes their first DX Plus trade, you'll receive $20 USDT per referral, and 40% commission on their trading fees. This is perfect if you're part of a crypto community, group chat, or even just have a couple of friends who are interested in jumping in. One quick but important reminder: always read the event's terms and conditions. Make sure you follow every step exactly to be eligible for the rewards. A small mistake, like not using the referral link or trading on the wrong platform, could make you miss out. Also, note that all rewards will be distributed 7 days after the event ends, so expect to receive your bonuses by around June 17th, 2025. So that's the full breakdown of the MEXC DEX Plus Superfest, a golden opportunity to earn $20 in SOL and more, with almost no risk and very little effort. Here's a quick recap. Sign up using my referral code, MEXC2WRJ6, deposit and trade 100 USDT on DX Plus, claim your free $20 in SOL. So why late? Join the streak challenges and referral program for extra rewards. MEXC is perfect for both CX and DX traders. Whether you're a beginner or a degen, the platform has low fees, insane token access, and killer events like this one. So don't wait. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and smash the bell icon so you don't miss future giveaways, tutorials, and hidden gem alerts. Links are in the description below. This is Crypto Chronicles, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.